Welcome to Forex Bunker's weekly analysis. Today's date is the 17th of January 2010. Going to have a look at what the week that has just gone. If we look back a little bit further than this, in June and August we had our double top, well, very close to a double top. After August we pushed heading towards Christmas, we pushed down into the 140 zone. Some nice trades off this zone from memory. And then we pushed up, just a nice retrace, and we came back down. We had another try, but with no success of pushing through. We've since come up through Christmas and into the first 2 weeks of January of 2010, and we've done nothing but range, which is a little bit disappointing, but slow and steady wins the race, I guess. Zoom in a little bit to the daily chart, and we'll have a look at what we had this week. So this week we pushed down to the top of this area of congestion, and then we pushed up and had a go at this higher zone with really no success. Where we go from here is a little unknown. Let's move that back to the right spot. As this is quite a tight range, we do expect for price to break out at some point, and hopefully it's this week so we can get some nice trades going. But talking about nice trades, there was some really nice opportunities this week. Here is one that happened on the 12th and 13th, I should say, after 3 dojis on the 4-hour time frame. Really nice long. And then up on the 14th and 15th was a really nice short off this candle here. I hope we got some nice pips off GJ this week. And let's move on to GU and see what's going on. Looking at the GU weekly chart, notice this week we had nothing but bulls, which was good to see. Compared to GJ, who's just ranging, as we just mentioned. But we notice that we are struggling to close above this support and resistance line at the moment. A few weeks ago, if not months ago, this is in November, December, we broke through this line, this bottom line, and now we're coming to see it again. So it'll be very interesting if we can close and move higher up to this trend line for a really nice trade. Watch out for this area. It'll be quite a nice trade, I'd imagine. Let's zoom in a little and see what the daily chart has given us over the week. Alright. Just show the week. Yeah, so as I said, nothing but bulls this week. It was right off the bat and hasn't looked back. But when we got to this zone here, it did struggle. On the daily, it did close above it. So it will be good to see it continue. On the 4-hour chart, let's have a look. Forgive the trend lines, they sometimes break when you break position when you change time frames in the charting package that I use. On the 4-hour chart, we broke through this minor support and resist high, hit the swing high here, and pushed up and then got a nice retrace ready to keep going. This week, as I said just before, I reckon we'll be seeing a few more highs as it breaks through, and I hope you can get some pips from it. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to come and check us out at forexbunker.com. Have a good week.